All right, so looking at our guided notes here, we've got a few things up here at the top, and I'm seeing that we have three different graphs. Now, the graph on the left side says that we have one solution. Now, because I can see that we have two lines on this graph, that means I've got a system of equations. And a solution to a system of equations is the point where the lines cross. So these two lines right here have one solution because they cross each other. Now, if I look at the second one, I see that this one is labeled as no solution. And that makes sense to me because I see parallel lines. And I remember that parallel lines are going to stay the same distance from each other at every point. So they're never going to get close enough to touch, which means that there is no solution. There's no point where those lines share the same coordinates. They're never going to cross over. I also remember that parallel lines have the same slope. So I can see that they are at the same angle. The measure of the angle of that line is going to be the same on the first one and the second one. And then my last one here says I've got infinite solutions. And if I look very, very closely at the ends here, I can see that there are two lines put right on top of each other. So I'm going to circle that entire thing because every single point on that line is shared with the other line. So every single point is a solution to that system of equations because it intersects everywhere. So it has an infinite number of solutions. So let's go ahead and move down to our first problems here. We'll go over these ones together.